Well, here we are with another kitchen prep station. This one is just purely walnut, and this is gorgeous. One of my favorite woods. We're gonna oil it up, see how it looks. Ta-da!